Now, let's explore the creative tools, image management, the full-page editor, and version history. Click the Images button to open the image library. The image library shows all your images, generated and uploaded. Each card shows the prompt and where it is used. Filter by usage. View all images, only those in the story, or unused images. In this story, shows only images currently attached. Hover over an image to reveal quick actions. Set primary makes it your cover image. Remove detaches it. Delete removes it permanently. Delete permanently removes the image from your library. A confirmation dialog protects you from accidental deletion. Click Cancel to keep the image. Nothing is deleted until you explicitly confirm. Click an image to select it. You can select multiple images at once. Or generate a new AI image. Describe the scene you want, and ProseForge creates it for you. Now let's explore the full page editor and version history. Click Editor to open the distraction-free writing environment. ProseForge auto-saves as you write. Every change is preserved, so you can always go back. Click History to view all your saved versions. The version history shows every saved version. The current badge marks your latest. Click any version to preview it without making changes. You can preview any past version and compare it to your current work. Compare mode shows exactly what changed between two versions. Additions appear in green, deletions in red, so you can see exactly what evolved. Hover any version to see the Restore button. Restoring creates a new version, so nothing is ever lost. Preview the content before restoring. You can take the story in an entirely different direction. Now let's see Re-Forge, the AI rewrite engine that polishes prose quality. The Re-Forge button triggers an AI rewrite of the current section. It costs 1 credit and runs in the background. The Re-Forging banner tracks progress while the AI refines your prose in the background. When complete, a banner appears offering to review the changes. The rewrite is already applied. You can accept it or review what changed. Click Review Changes to open the Merge Review panel. The Merge Review shows every change the AI made, word by word. Red is removed text, green is the replacement. Switch between Diff View to see changes, Preview to read the result, or Edit to make manual tweaks. Accept All keeps every change. Reject All reverts to the original, or decide each change individually. After accepting, each change shows a checkmark. Save Merged commits the result as a new version. The version history now shows a Re-Forged badge on the rewrite commit. Every AI change is tracked and reversible. That's image management, version history, and Re-Forge, powerful tools that keep your creative work safe and polished. Happy writing!